Ngi ontita mbye mwanasorobochi rwa senchira yobo ikirano go tigananera saranyarangi ontita niko tokomera no muri kito Mildred Mumanyi oyo gotumanyi buna gati y'abasekuru se county ya KCS litukulia lero bono niko bomera na samaga cha ATC yo mu Kyobosongo elikonyara koegwa AMAYIA na kwabwente gwekinde na kwebwatarania aso byombe ao asomoje go yomo nogeri bwe serikali Cyrus Oguna ni gakagerwe kirana kondetekeraneti abwasaba kagotuma omutenelio yorobochi rwa senchira yobwikirano
abasae kurwa account ya Kisii nigo batwara egeikaro kya bene ime ya ATC kurwa ase abisi yo monogari bwa serikali gekoragwa na Colonel retired Cyrus Oguna oyo otaikerana ase kolende atoma omobisobo oyo orwa enkwana yae na gukwanera emerobeli ya serikali enene ENSA begete iliogo chiago konya abasae.
We are here on a very simple but clear mission, and that is to speak with the youth, to tell them that the future is here. So we came to listen, and also we want to listen to them, tell us about their challenges, the challenges they're facing. We also came to tell them about what the government is doing for them, because the government, being well aware that the majority of Kenya's population is the youth, has deliberately channeled billions of shillings for the youth. So that's why we're here, to tell them the government cares about the youth.
Omoteneneri bwa basae kurwa ase account ya Kisii Richard Mumanyi naerera alia aganeirie abasae goikeraniwa.
Explain to the youths what the government of the Republic of Kenya is trying to do to ensure that the youths are empowered. So we have various empowerment programs which the government has started, and so we'll be telling the youths what they are and how they can access those empowerment programs.
Gati ya alia abasemi wano gwesona ni nebyombe au byabasae buna Youth Fund, Women Fund, the construction of youth empowerment, gati ebinde ebinge ebyo birakonye abasae kwegendereria.
We have various empowerment programs which are targeting the youths. One of them is the construction of the youth empowerment centers in the constituencies. In Kisii we have 6 of them which have been constructed. They are at various stages of completion. At the end of the day, these centers are supposed to be a one-stop shop where youths can access various services. The Kenya Youth Employment and Opportunities project, which is being implemented in 17 counties, it's also being implemented here. Now, this program or project has 2 aspects. There is the aspect of skills training, where we have the youths being trained in skills which provide them with employable skills. And then apart from the training aspect, we also have grants which are provided to the youths to enable them boost their businesses, those who have businesses. We also do have the Women Enterprise Fund, where the women, including the young women, can form groups and get loans from that fund to also empower them.
Genkolpotalia egatasen Ndizi TV, Mildred Mumanyi.